Equivalent skills in GoSite Ready are like swap cards, different qualifications that meet the same requirements. This makes compliance checks simpler and keeps your training needs analysis lean and accurate. As an example, a standard C-class license equivalent skills could be HR, etc. Or if someone's a plant mechanic, they might hold a certificate of proficiency in automotive mobile plant technology, while another person has one in automotive heavy mechanical technology. Both meet the same requirement. To set this up, open the skill you're working with, usually the lower skill, like the C-class license, jump into the Equivalent Skills tab and click the Add icon. Remember, the skill must already exist in your skills library, so if it's not there, just hit the Add icon to create it and then go back to linking it as an equivalent skill. If you see this error message, you've already linked an equivalent skill.